Well, what's going on, everyone? Looks like we have another record that's been broken today from the repo. We're at $1.7 trillion today. 1.704.586. That's 1,704,586,000,000 with 77 counterparties, and it just keeps on climbing. Today was the quad slash triple witching day. The market behaved very odd today. We had a lot of options contracts moving around, being shuffled, rolled over, all that good stuff. But yeah, it just keeps trending higher. 1.7 billion. We're approaching 2 trillion towards the end of the year. The treasury balance. Let's go ahead and look at that. I'm sure it's down. We have December 15th data as of the latest updated. Holy cow. So yeah, this fiscal year we opened at 728,403, and today we're sitting at 68. I'm sorry, that's cash FTDs. Total balance. This fiscal year we were sitting at 215.16 billion, and we're currently sitting at 58. I think that's the yearly low. So we're at an all-time high in the repo and a yearly low in the treasury balance. Okay. I mean, we still got a few weeks left, so let's see what happens. But it's not looking good, for them. Yep, another record. That's the third day in a row.